Hello everyone. Let us welcome back to our DSA problem. So today's problem is wedge strings alternatively. So here we have given two are the strings. Two strings we are given word 1 and word 2. We have to merge them alternatively. So we starts with the word 1 and then word 2 like so on. So now let us look at the example. First here we have given word 1. Okay, then ABC and word 2 here PQR. Now we have to get the output. Now let us see. A is our first word from the word 1 and P is the second word and B is our second word. You can see here A is matching here, then P is matching here and B is coming here and Q is it's matching here. Next C, we are going to get C and then R, then R. So finally we are getting AP, BQ, CR. Now let us look how we are going to code this one. Now let us look at our intuition. So now, now first we have given the string called word 1 and word 2. So now we are going to code in the Python. Okay. Now let us look. So generally what we can do, the even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers how to find. Suppose if a number, if I percentage 2 equal to 0, then we gonna say it is an even number. If it is not equal to 0, we are going to say it's an odd number. So in this way also we can able to do, but now I am going to do with simple loop. With single loop we are going to take as big O of n. Now let us look at it. So firstly what I will do is, first point here you can observe the few constants also. Now below here we can see few things. Here the word length is 1 to 100, and here you can see one more thing. Here we are having two words AP and we are having PQRS. Now let us observe one more thing. Here first we are getting A, then P, then we are getting B, again we are getting remaining words of the word 2. So here we are having only two words, here we are having only four words. So we cannot replace or we cannot add in between any word. So directly we are going to append all this. Now let's come back and we have to observe one thing here. So the word 1 length and word 2 length, they are not equal. So what I am going to do is, so generally we can take simply while loop. I am using simple while loop, and in this while loop what I am going to do, I have to iterate the word 1. What is the word 1? A, B, C, and word 2 is P, Q, R. Now I I is less than length of word 1, or we are taking or. Why we are taking or? Because the length of the word 1, it is greater than or word 2. It sometimes it is greater than, sometimes it's less than, or sometimes it is equal to. Sometimes it is greater than, sometimes it is less than, or sometimes it is equal to. So we don't know. That's why we are taking or operator. Now J also we have to iterate through the word 2. So J is also less than word 2. Now let us look. We have to give in some conditions. How we are going to give the conditions? Either we can give this even odd condition, or we can simply give if I is less than length of word 1. So we can simply, I am taking simple list L equals to 0, and L dot append word1 of I. So in this way I am going to add and I am going to increment. In same while loop, again we are writing one more condition. If j is less than length of word2, again we are going to append L dot append word2 of j, and we are going to increment j plus or equal to 1, and we are going to return everything. So now let us look at the code. Let me go back. I have already done here. Here the same thing we can observe. Here we can observe. Let me go back here, and here we can observe. Here firstly I am taking the length of word1 and next length of word2 and I equals to 0 j, and I am using the while loop which is less than word1 and word2. I am simply appending to the list and I am going to return the list. Now if I try to run it, I am going to get the same output. The solution is accepted. Even if I submit here, it is going to give me successfully submitted. Thank you.